Welcome to your GoHuman AI training. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the training materials available to you. Our goal is to ensure that you're well equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to make the most of our AI services. First, we have a comprehensive video that covers all the AI services offered by GoHuman AI. It's a great starting point to understand the breadth of our offerings. Next, we have two videos on email templates. The first is an introduction to accessing and using email templates. The second goes deeper into understanding the request button within email templates. For those interested in creating videos, we have two tutorials. One shows you how to create videos using text and sentences, while the other focuses on creating videos using text and keywords. We also have two videos related to our AI-powered agents. The first is a tutorial on quickly setting up these agents. The second provides an introduction to what AI-powered agents are and gives an overview of their settings. Additionally, we have a video that guides you on how to upload your voice. That's a quick look at the training videos we have available for you. We encourage you to watch these videos to gain a deeper understanding of GoHuman AI services and how you can leverage them effectively.